the new year comes new floor plans, where we're excited to release the following new floor plans and refreshed and redesigned offerings from Winnebago Industries. The Winnebago View and Navion 24R build on the success of the View Navion series. The floor plan includes the Winnebago Connect system, an intelligent RV platform that intuitively controls and proactively manages your onboard systems according to your preferences, and allowing for over-the-air system updates and remote diagnostics. Inside the 24R, you'll find a rear twin-bed flex bed system with your choice of dual recliners or a True Comfort Plus sofa. The 24R includes a spacious gear garage with over 81 cubic feet of basement storage. The 24R will be available this spring. Springing off the success of the Winnebago Revel Sport 44N is the new Revel Sport 44C. This all-wheel drive Revel, built on the Mercedes-Benz Turbo Diesel, provides epic views of your campsite with a new patio-facing sofa and a removable wall-mounted table. It also includes the Winnebago partnership with EcoFlow, providing a 5-in-1 Power Hub Pro management system with over 5,000 watt-hours of lithium technology. The new Winnebago Minnie Winnie and Spirit National Park Foundation 26NP floor plan includes National Park-inspired exterior paint and an interior decor package. The 26NP triple slide-out floor plan includes 240 watts of solar panel charging and can sleep up to 8 people. The Winnebago Travato 59G and 59K floor plans have new interior options and exterior paint enhancements. They are upgraded with a gasoline-powered Truma Combi Comfort Plus system for enhanced heating and hot water delivery. It will also have the Smart Plug shore power connection and the return of the exterior city water hookup feature.